This is slide of pituitary gland. It is divided into two parts. Number 1, adenohypophysis. Number 2, neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis or anterior pituitary is divided into two unequal parts by a residual lumen of Rathke's pouch. Number 1, pars distalis. Number 2, pars intermedia. Pars distalis is surrounded by a dense connective tissue capsule. Parenchyma consists of cords and clusters of cells, supported by scanty stroma. Sinusoidal capillaries are present between the cords. Cells of pars distalis are classified according to the staining properties. Number 1, chromophobes, and number 2, chromophils. Chromophobes don't have affinity for stains. Chromophils stain deeply and their cytoplasm contains secretory granules. These are of two types, acidophils and basophils. Granules of acidophils have affinity for acidic dyes. Granules of basophils have affinity for basic dyes. According to new classification, cells of pars distalis are further classified into 5 types depending upon hormonal secretory activity. Number 1, somatotropes. Number 2, mammotropes. Number 3, corticotropes. Number 4, gonadotropes. And number 5, thyrotropes. Pars intermedia is composed of cords of basophilic cells. Some follicles are also seen, which are lined by cuboidal cells. Pars tuberalis is composed of groups or cords of basophilic cuboidal cells. Neurohypophysis is divided into two parts, pars nervosa and infundibulum. Neurohypophysis contains unmyelinated nerve fibers, axons, synapses, and glial cells called pituicytes. Hormones stored and released from neurohypophysis are number 1, oxytocin, number 2, vasopressin.